In this video, we're going to be talking about Avalanche. We're going to be analyzing the price of Avalanche to see what price is doing, basically giving a technical analysis upon price action. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into Avalanche, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So on CoinMarketCap, you can see Avalanche is currently up 4.51% at the time of recording. We're roughly trading around $70.86, which is really nice. You can see on the chart provided that Avalanche is bullish. You can see here that pretty much price has we did reach the daily low of 66.9, and then from then onwards we pretty much started to become really bullish. I feel like this was mainly due to the overall Bitcoin as well. You know, Bitcoin was pretty much bullish on the daily as well, and I feel like that affected the overall market. So if you go over to TradingView to have a bit more in-depth analysis on Avalanche, you can see here that pretty much price is pretty much trading within these demand zones. And let me just refine this actually, and then you can see that this one is possibly this one. Yep. Yeah, that one looks better actually. So pretty much price did not respect this demand zone over here, which was therefore liquidated essentially, and then therefore price came back down to this demand zone, which I feel like if we drop into a lower time frame, we could have a little accumulation schematic. And yeah, we do have an accumulation schematic when it comes to this. So let me just mark out this accumulation schematic before we head on any further. You can see here, let me schematic. So you can see here that this is selling climax, a secondary test, the spring, the retest, which is onto this demand zone, and then from onwards we had an initial increase, which is really nice to see. As it means that Avalanche could be closer to reaching the $100 mark. Once we do reach the $100 mark, I feel like then we could possibly count ourselves at bullish again. But until then, we're gonna have to wait and see what Avalanche does do. And then the next target would possibly be $127. I feel like this is a really key area, as you know there is double top there. There's quite a lot of liquidity based around this region. And then if we do reach an all-time high of 146, so yeah, it's very possible that we could reach another all-time high in the next in possibly even this year in fact. So if you go over to Bitcoin, you can see what Bitcoin has been doing. You can see Bitcoin is pretty much bullish on the hourly and on the 4-hour and even on the hourly. You can see here that price has pretty much been respecting this demand zone. Hopefully we can start reaching highs of 50k again. But if we do reach 50k, it would mean a crazy milestone for Bitcoin, as it would indicate that we're in a bullish market again, which was really good to see, which would be crazy actually. Everyone would start making money again, and then once we do reach that, we could possibly start reaching 70k again. But till then, we're gonna have to wait and see. If we go over to Avalanche again, what is possible. Let me just get a Fibonacci retracement from the other high to the initial low. So this was the lower high to the initial lower low. So where could price possibly reach? Price could definitely reach in this really strong supply zone actually. Yeah, there's a really strong supply zone roughly around this region, but we'd have to wait and see on how price reacts. Let me just get rid of this demand zone because it was invalidated. Yeah, so there is a very strong supply zone over here. We could possibly liquidate this and liquidate these areas, and possibly even liquidate this area in order for us to reach the $100 mark. But until then, we're gonna have to wait and see what occurs. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs. Peace.